Sausages are one of humanity's oldest foods. Their story begins in ancient Egypt, thousands of years ago, and later in Greece. Today, we eat billions of them every year. Inside this factory, they produce over 500,000 kilograms daily. That's 100,000 sausages every hour. 2 sausages made every single second. But how are these sausages actually made? Let's find out as we explore their mass production process. This delicious delicacy starts with meat. Sausage production makes smart use of animals, minimizing waste while maximizing resources. Even leftover parts get repurposed. To begin, pork gets combined with beef and chicken trimmings. Pork chop and rib leftovers are perfect. After cutting specific meat sections, they're ready for sausage transformation. Step 1. Chop the meat into small pieces. Then grind it thoroughly. The meat paste must be ultra-fine. Push through 3mm holes. For optimal texture and flavor, some meat gets partially frozen, then thawed slightly to improve firmness. Grinders stay meticulously clean to avoid residue buildup. Any scraps get reground. Next, the meat gets emulsified through perforated metal plates. This ensures perfect smoothness and consistency. To boost flavor, chicken scraps join the mix, plus starches and spices, pepper, chili, nutmeg, salt, and more. Recipes vary globally, so spice blends are tailored to local tastes. During production, sodium nitrate is added as a preservative. It prevents bacteria while enhancing that classic cured meat flavor. For denser texture, food starch is incorporated. Spices and meat blend together in industrial mixers. Large paddles ensure even distribution. Every ingredient must integrate fully. Computers regulate mixing speed and duration. Quality control is relentless. For sweetness and moisture, corn syrup and water are added. These help bind ingredients and boost juiciness. Finally, the mix undergoes contamination checks. Any impurities get removed. Rejected material is discarded. Only pristine batches proceed. Now the paste transforms into sausages. Meat gets pumped into stuffing machines. Air is vacuumed out. Precision nozzles portion the meat. It emerges as a smooth emulsion. Here's the magic. Edible collagen casings made from beef. Byproducts feed into the machine. These casings aren't just functional. They're delicious. Meat fills the casings continuously. Twists form every 13 centimeters. That's your standard sausage length. Speed, blistering. 35 seconds per batch, enough to cover a football field twice. 46 grams of meat per link. Automated twisters create perfect chains. Each rotation forms another link. 25 sausages per string. They're transferred to hanging belts. This maintains their shape. Every step is computer controlled. Perfection is non-negotiable. Next stop, smoking chambers. Each cart holds 36 sausage strings. Inside, they'll ferment first. Natural acidity rises, killing harmful bacteria while developing tangy flavor. This creates signature taste. 14 hours later, they achieve ideal pH and smokiness. Pre-smoking, prep. Beechwood chips ignite in smoke generators. Heat cooks the meat while smoke permeates. Flavor intensifies. After 90 minutes, internal temps hit 70 degrees Celsius color and taste lock in. Smoked sausages get a saltwater bath, then re-smoked to reinforce flavor. Post-drying, they cool below 6 degrees Celsius. This stabilizes the product and prevents spoilage. Next, automated delinking. Machines pluck sausages off sticks. Conveyors transport them. Vacuum sealers remove air from packages. Peeling machines slice casings with precision blades. Air jets strip skins cleanly. 700 sausages packaged per minute. Operators inspect for defects. Flawless ones advance. A spiked conveyor grips each sausage firmly. Its teeth anchor the links as skins are peeled. Naked sausages enter plastic trays. Sealing machines suck out air, then apply airtight film. Guillotines separate trays. This factory, 100,000 sausages hourly. Nearly 1 million per day. Before shipping, every batch undergoes rigorous hygiene and safety tests. They check appearance, aroma, taste, color, texture, and pH levels. Only approved sausages get labeled and boxed. Then, off to supermarkets worldwide. Whether for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks, sausages have cemented their place in our daily lives. And that's how sausages are made. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to share it with your friends. This is Alpha Machines, your window into a different world. See you in the next one.